Hey, this is Grayson Dell, and this was the Kabuki Theater. This was a four-man team in production on this level, and essentially I was the level designer for the team. And I'm going to try to keep this under 2 minutes tops, but essentially just wanted to cover some of the aesthetics for the level and kind of just the idea behind the level as well. The level was originally planned to be a Japanese themed theater, with the only constraints being maintain modularity. And that's exactly what I had to do here. So if you look at some of these walls, the walls are doubled up, and that's literally that whole back wall is doubled up kabuki, or not kabuki, but paper mat walls. Same thing over here, paper mat walls as well. The dark wood is not paper mat walls. Dark wood was meant mainly for just like just for it's just essentially one unity block just walling off stuff, and I thought that was very beautiful. Um, and then we did some lanterns over here, and we reused the assets for the 2D models that were given to us by Christy Morrison. Jules Stackhouse was the modeler who modeled most of the assets that I had to play around with. And then we had Jessica, and I don't really know her last name, but she was our programmer, and her main job was just to make uh, the AI move around the map. But for the sake of just admiring the level, I took the AI out, so it's not too much of an issue. We have a tatami floored tea room, the main theater, and some kabuki seating or tatami mat seating for the theater as well. Um, and essentially, the level was just trying to get back to that. It was just shoot all the enemies on the level, and then escape through the back, and that was essentially it. So this is the Kabuki Theater. I had 2 weeks to work on this project, and it was a pain with the way I had to divide all these walls and make sure that the walls weren't Z fighting. The Z fighting issue was the biggest thing, and trying to maintain modularity was a big issue as well. And none of this would have been possible without Jules's modeling technique and just helping me uh, in terms of working with me and making sure everything is going smoothly in terms of leveling. And yeah, this was the Kabuki Theater. Thank you. Um, Bye bye.